Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number B. Question number 1B. This is question number 1. Question number 1B. That is, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of a hall. What is the length if the breadth is B meters? Let us take a hall like this. Breadth is given as B meters. Therefore, length is given as 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. 3 times breadth means 3b, 3b minus 4 meters. Therefore, the length of the hall will be 3b minus 4 meters. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? Therefore, the length of the rectangular hall will be the length therefore the length of the rectangular hall will be 3b will be 3 will be let us drop this one will be the length of the rectangular hall will be 3b minus 4 will be 3b minus 4 meters. Okay.